Unpacking the Basics. Understanding Luggage Straps. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic that's often used in travel contexts. Luggage straps. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of luggage straps together. Luggage straps are simple yet essential travel accessories. These are adjustable straps that are used to secure your luggage. They typically come with a buckle for easy fastening and release. The primary purpose of luggage straps is to keep your bags closed and intact during transit. They add an extra layer of security to your luggage, ensuring that it doesn't accidentally open. Additionally, they can also help you identify your luggage more easily, as they come in various colors and designs. Using luggage straps is quite straightforward. First, you wrap the strap around your suitcase or bag. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Then, you fasten the buckle and adjust the length of the strap for a secure fit. It's important to check that the strap doesn't interfere with any of the bag's zippers or locks. Also, remember that while luggage straps add security, they are not a replacement for a good lock. When selecting luggage straps, consider the following. Durability. Look for straps made of strong materials. Length and width. Ensure the strap is long enough to fit around your luggage and wide enough to provide good support. Visibility. Brightly colored or uniquely patterned straps can help you spot your luggage easily on a baggage carousel. Locking mechanism. Some straps come with a built-in lock for added security. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helps you the next time you're preparing for a journey. Luggage straps are simple tools, but they play a significant role in keeping your belongings safe and secure. Happy travels, and don't forget to use those luggage straps.